With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, our question is that cell growth occurs during the which phase? Interphase, mitotic phase, post-mitotic phase, or the interphase and the post-mitotic phase. So there are four phases, namely the G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, and the M phase. G1 phase is the first phase in which the cell prepare himself for the growth. Cell prepare. Second phase is the S phase, also known as the where the DNA replication starts or DNA synthesis occurs. So this is the phase where the DNA gets replicated. Third, in G2, the cell growth is there in G2 phase. So cell growth is there, and the preparation for the mitosis division also start in the G2 phase. In M phase, that is the mitotic phase, the cell division take place. So in mitotic phase, the cell division occurs. So in G1 phase, cell prepare for the growth, and in G2 phase, the growth is taken place and the mitosis preparation starts. And in S phase, the DNA get replicated, and in mitotic phase, the cell division occurs. So G1, S, and G2 phase are also known as the interphase and the post-mitotic phase. So option fourth will be the correct answer for this question, that is the interphase and the post-mitotic phase. So option 4 is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.